Look at the baby bird we found. Whee! It's dying. It fell out of its nest. It's way up there. Hold on, I can't see it yet.
Don't tell me to shut up. No, I'm not.
Is it an HTC? Yep.
It's called.
Oh, you're sunburned.
Incredible
Yeah, I know.
Look, he's moving. He's moving.
Missing it. It's so epic! Look at it. It's like it walked. It was like nah. Now it's on soft land.
See? It's alive. It's alive.
It just wants food. Its mouth is open. Look, it thinks you're his mommy because he keeps coming towards you with his mouth open. Oh my God! Look at it. It's so adorable.
Will you eat grass?
Oh, see, its neck isn't broken. Never mind. Look at it. It is fine. Oh my gosh. Its mom needs to come though.
She's probably gonna kill him.
No, she's just gonna be like, she's probably gonna comfort it like a good mommy.
Why, stupid idiot?
How did it fall? What if it's one of its siblings was like mad and pushed it?
Oh my gosh, Michaela. Birds aren't that small.
That's what I would do. That's what you do when you want cats to come near you.
What?
Make the noise Hannah's making.
I know.
Whoa.
It's smelly.
It doesn't eat that.